Hello students, today we will see how to find the mean proportion. So let us take the examples. Find the mean proportion of the following. So we will take some more examples here, many examples we are going to take. So let us take the first example, 5 and 45. So you need to find out the mean proportion of the following. So as we know, in proportion we will have the 4 terms, correct? But here it is asked only 2 terms are given and they asked to find out the mean proportion. When it is asked to find out mean proportion, the middle terms will be same. So it will be like A is to B is in proportion with B is to C. So middle terms will be same here. So no need to take here D. Correct? So you need to find out the value of B, and B is here mean proportion. Remember, B is a mean proportion. So here A is 5 is to B we don't know equals to, or it is in proportion with B is we don't know is to C. Here we have the 45. So find out this. So we know these ratios are in proportion. So we can use here formula product of means equals to product of extremes. So product of means B into B equals to product of extremes, that is the n terms, first and last term, 5 into 45. So B square, here 5 into 45, you need to find out the value of B. So this square we will bring this side, it will be square root of 5 into 45. So you can do it here two methods, that is 5 into 45 you find out, and whatever number you are getting, find the square root by the prime factorization method. Otherwise here only these two you can write as product of prime numbers, that is what prime factorization. Separately you can do and you can solve. So 5 already is a prime number, so we'll keep this as it is into 45. We will do the prime factorization. When you're doing the prime factorization, divide this with prime number only. So as we know, 4 plus 5, that is 9. So you can divide this with 3, or you can divide with 5 also. So 3, so here 3 ones are 3, 1 carry, so 3 5s are 15. Again you can divide this with 3. So 3, here 1 less than 3, so we'll put 0. 3 5s are 15, then 5 remain, 5 1s are 5. So instead of writing 45, you can write this as 3 into 3 into 5, or you can write 5 into 3 into 3. So when you are doing the square root, finding the square root, you should have this pair like squares. 5 into 5 you can write as 5 square, into 3 you can write a square. Whenever you are having the numbers in squares, that square and square root will get cancelled and you will remain with only this base. So this square and square root get cancelled, this square and square root get cancelled, you will have only 5 into 3. So that is the mean proportion. The value of B is 5 3s are 15. So here the mean proportion we can get here, A is to 15, that is in proportion with 15 is to 45. So this is how you calculate the mean proportion. So let us take one more example. 12 and 108. So you need to find the mean proportion. Whenever it is asked to find the mean proportion, always you have to take middle term as same, but we don't know that way to find out. Is in proportion with B is to 108. Same method you have to follow. Product of means, that is B into B equals to product of extremes, that is 12 into 108. So B square here, it is 12 into 108. So B you want to find out, so take the square root, square, that's why it will be square root of 12 into 108. So instead of multiplying these two and getting the new number and finding the prime factorization, just try to write this as product of its prime numbers. So we will do the prime factorization here. So last number is even number, so divide with 2. So this is 1 is less than 2, so we'll put 0. 2 6 are 12. Again you can divide with 2. 2 3s are 6. Then 3 1s are 3. Similarly we will do the prime factorization of 108. 2, we can divide this with 2. So here first try to divide 1. So but 1 is less than 2, so we'll put 0. We will take this 10. 2 5s are 10. Then 2 4s are 8. Again even number we can divide with 2. 2 2s are 4. Carry 1. 2 7s are 14. So further we cannot divide with 2, but we can divide with 3 because 3 is also prime number. 2 is less than 3, so we'll put 0. 3 9s are 27. 9 you got, divide with 3. 3 3s are 9. And 3 1s are 3. So B equals to 12 you can write as 2 into 2 into 3. Into 108 you can write as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. So try to make the pairs here, these two. So 2 into 2 I can write as 2 square. Next these 2, so 2 square. Next last this 3, so 3 square. This 3 and this 3 I'll pair, so 3 square. So as we know, whenever the square and square root, it get cancels. So these all squares will get cancelled with this square root, because the square root is applicable to all the squares here. So 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So do the multiplication. 2 2s are 4 into 3 3s are 9. So 9 4s are, or 4 9s are 36. It is the mean proportion.